Hello traders, we are back again with one more setup. It is GBPNZD. So before we talk about it, let's check the date and the time right here. So let's come and refresh it. And currently it is 11:31 p.m. Monday 11th of May 2026 in EST. So let's get back to my chart. And we are on a 4-hour time frame. We are below the EMA. So you could see this is your downtrend pullback and bearish engulfing, and then we're gonna go short. Okay, so we are already short in this trade around 2805, and our take profit is this black line around 2760. So maybe 45 pips in this trade. Okay, so we're looking for 45 pips in this GBP NZD short, and I will come back and record the video when the take profit is hit. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back here on the screen, and you can see that our take profit is hit this black line at 2760. Current price is 27488. So we entered this trade maybe around 2805 and exit around 2760. So we made 45 pips in this trade. Okay, that's all about it. Let's check that date and the time right here, refresh it. So currently it is 3:40 a.m. Tuesday 12 May 2026 in EST. You can go back to the before beginning of the video to see when did we take this trade, but in few hours only, I think maybe 4 hours, we hit our take profit. So that's it. If you want these setups before they happen, then you can join the program. The link will be below this video, or maybe you are already on this page. Or if you don't want to join the program, then you can just keep watching me making this kind of money. Till then, see you again.